Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to enable dark mode or dark theme in Google Chrome. So we will open the Chrome, and here in the right corner you have some settings. Click on that, and here click on color and theme, and you have all colors here. You can change it to whatever you want, or you have background. You can set, for example, this one or that one or whatever you want, but this is only for home page. If you want to change color for all pages, you can go here and insert Chrome color / flex and hit enter, and here you will get secret menu and insert here dark mode, auto dark mode, and here you will click on enabled and click on relaunch. So now is every page in dark mode. If you want to revert this back in white, just here go where is default and relaunch again. If you want to see how it looks, we will insert here facebook.com, and it is in dark mode.